Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a Ravencoin, friends. A lot of people message me on Instagram that kindly make a video on Ravencoin and what's the next move goes in a Ravencoin and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Ravencoin. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers, friends. So friends, before starting this interesting video, this brand video, if you're new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now if you look the current price of the Ravencoin, so as you can see here, the current price is about $0.135305 is the current price of Ravencoin at this time, friends. If we look the change occur in the Ravencoin, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour change as a negative, last 1 day change is in positive, and last 1 week change as negative, friends. So the market rank of the Ravencoin as a good 83 is a market rank of Ravencoin. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Ravencoin at this time, friends. As you can see here, that is the current live price prediction of Ravencoin. As you can see here, the change occur in the Ravencoin is about negative 0.78% and the high price in the previous last 1 hour period is about $0.137957 is the high price of Ravencoin and the last 1 hour period, friends. If you look the price prediction chart, so as you can see here, the previous hour fast down occurs and now at this time currently I think from the previous 5-10 minutes they take a jump explosion, as you can see here at this time, friends. So hope this jump continues for a long time, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction and try to detect the next move of the Ravencoin. What's the next change goes in the Ravencoin and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Ravencoin, friends. If we do a technical analysis, as first of all, as you can see here, the last 1 hour change as in positive, friends. 6.53% positive change occur. That means that the last 1 hour last 1 day change occur Ravencoin as to move upper, friends. But as I show you the previous last 1 hour price prediction, so they are negative. That means as you can see here at this point the falling of the Ravencoin occurs, as you can see here, friends. So now maybe that is the little funds of the Ravencoin. Oh my god, here is the phenomena of jump, as you can see here, friends. Same like that is a price, and now look at this position, as you can see here, this position, same process occur by the Ravencoin, as you can see here. As you can see here, take a jump, after a jump again falls down, and after a falls again take a jump. Same process occurs here, friends. As you can see here, falls also occurs, and after a falls there, as I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour, now the currently jumping of the Ravencoin starts now, friends. So same process occurs in Ravencoin at this point. So now the jumping period of the Ravencoin are again starts now. They continue. It is clear for me that the next move of Ravencoin has to take a high pump, friends. So what's your opinion about Ravencoin? My opinion is that the next pump of the Ravencoin are coming soon, so wait for it. If you are a holder, so please hold your Ravencoin with the last of this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.